Past simple and past continuous tense. Simple past. The adverbs that come with the simple past are the following: yesterday, once, one day, ago, in the past, and last day, week, in 1990. The form of the simple past: I, you, we, he, she, it, they. With the main verb. The main verb is in the past tense. Went, studied, and opened, etc. Simple past describe a complete action with adverb. The past continuous. We use the following adverbs: while, as, and when. The form of the past continuous: he, she, it, plus was, plus verb ing, or we, you, they, I, plus were, plus verb ing, to focus on the activity itself. Simple past. To describe actions that take place one after another. Example: every morning I got up early, set off on my bike, visited the villages along the way, and talked to the people. So this is complete actions. Also, to describe an action which interrupts a second action. ليصف حدث يتقاطع مع حدث آخر. When I was talking to a farmer in a village, my mobile suddenly rang. To talk about complete actions, I spent my holidays in Wales. Past progressive. الماضي مستمر. To describe two actions which are taking place simultaneously. For example, while I was cycling, my friends were probably sitting on the beach. To describe an action already in progress in the past. For example, when I was talking to a farmer in a village, my mobile suddenly rang. To emphasize that an action or a state continued for a long time in the past. It was raining so heavily at the seaside. The simple past and the past progressive, also past continuous, are used to express actions in the past. We use the simple past to express complete actions. We use the past progressive to say what was happening at a particular moment in the past, to set the scene and to emphasize duration of a past action. Example: I spent my holidays in Wales last year. I traveled around by bike. Every morning I got up early, set off on my bike, visited the villages on the way, and talked to people. My friends preferred to spend their holidays by the sea. So while I was cycling, my friends were probably sitting on the beach. But one day, when I was talking to a farmer in a village, my mobile rang. My friends were calling to tell me that they were waiting under a bus stop because it was raining so heavily at the seaside. This example contains two types of tenses. One of them is the simple past and the other is the past continuous. So if you want to emphasize about the duration, we put the action in the past continuous. And if you want to mention the action only, just mention it, we will use simple past. Thank you very much.